This video is sponsored by Advix. The journey of advanced technology starts and stops with Advix. Visit advixaftermarket.com for more information.
The electric parking brake is becoming more and more common on both import and domestic vehicles. So what does this mean to the rear brake pad service? You're going to need a scan tool to properly retract the piston, replace the brake pads, and then adjust the system. I know that there's some guys out there saying, well, I don't need a scan tool. I can go in through the dash, or I can pull the button a certain way, or I can turn the ignition key to retract the piston. But you're missing the point. A lot of these vehicles have a built-in maintenance mode. This helps to bring the piston all the way back, and then after the pads are replaced, to adjust it properly and then bring it back just a little bit. The great thing about using a scan tool instead of these button pushes and other workarounds, well, you can do diagnostics, and you could put the system into different modes to check the operation of the parking brake. This way, when the car leaves your shop, you know that the parking brake is functioning properly, and there's no chance for a comeback. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.